Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This tutorial is over the open hand backhand strike combination. We'll be working from a wedge guard position. Now we'll start by looking at this just done with the backhand. All we're doing here is putting together two skills we've worked with separately. For my wedge guard here, my backhand is coming up. I'm coming through this way, striking with my palm, and then simply reversing, coming back through, striking with the back of my hand. Now to make this work, I need a gentle twist of my hips and shoulders this way. The movement of our arm is what gets our attention, but what's driving the movement of that arm is the movement of my body. So backhand, or rather open hand, and then backhand, and it naturally returns. Open hand, backhand. Open hand, backhand. Now this is something we see in self-defense kata number 1. And we see it there. Back arm and then front arm. Open hand, backhand, open hand, backhand. Open hand, backhand, open hand, backhand. And again, I'm using that twist of my hips and shoulders. From the side, again, I'm in my wedge guard position here, and I'm just shifting that backhand up a little bit, coming across and through, and then right back. Again, across and through, and bring it back. Across and through, and bring it back. We're just combining the two strikes together. And then I can add my front hand. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then right back into my wedge. Backhand, rather open hand, backhand, open hand, backhand. Once more, open hand, backhand, open hand, backhand. And all we're really doing here is combining two strikes we've worked with separately. Now let's have a look at how that would work on a target. Mr. Mitchell, if I could have your assistance with this, please. Let's put you over here, please, Mr. Mitchell. That's it. Now we're going to start off just touch and push. We're going to find our distance here. Open hand, push through, backhand, push through. I want to be sure I'm close enough to reach without having to lean in. From back here, this can seem close enough because I can reach out and touch this with my front hand. With these strikes, I'm not close enough, and I don't want to wind up having to do something like that to reach. Just twist your hips and shoulders. Touch and push, touch and push. Once you've found your distance with your backhand, we'll add the front hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open hand, backhand, open hand, backhand. Just like that. Then we'll take it just a little faster and harder. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you, Mr. Mitchell. Doing the strikes singly is fairly straightforward. Putting them together in combination can take a little bit of practice. But the nice thing about these is I can put them together into a quick combination. I can come through with an open hand and come right back with the backhand, and then I can just add in the front arm for 2 more strikes. And this is just what we see in self-defense kata number 1. So that was the open hand backhand strike combination. Thank you very much for joining me.